Gichanjama na makiria hende ya maabitha anene na aria matungatire thirikari-ini ya gavana Mũhuru kuwira kaunti-ini ya Kakamega Wycliffe Ombeta Oparanya na aria marugamiriire ikero itiganite hindi ya megukime kana hindi ya megutwarite umwe wao no ri gwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya kurunga migendere thukuru-ini wa gubundithia urimi wa mabanga no ri kaunti-ini ya Kakamega.
And we are here courtesy of someone from Bungoma County, where chief officers were summoned for a disciplinary hearing. The first chief officer was supposed to appear here at 9 a.m. We've been here since 8:30 in the morning, and the members of the disciplinary committee have refused to actually summon us inside the room for purposes of for us giving our testimony. They have refused the chief officer to call his witnesses. They are saying the witnesses must go home. Yet all the chief officers are here. The one who is supposed to appear before the committee is equally here, and he has called his witnesses. But surprisingly, the committee is saying the witnesses must go home. We are seeing that this is a flawed process, a process that is already predetermined, and it is meant to meet untold injustice to the chief officer. In as much as we are ready and willing to subject ourselves to the disciplinary control mechanisms and procedure, we demand that the disciplinary committee follows the law and allow the witness to the accused person to call his witnesses to all the relevant institutions, because we are seeing this is already a predetermined position. There is no way we can be here at 8:30. We have brought our witnesses, and the committee, they are present, but they do not want to hear us. They do not want to listen to what the witnesses have to say. So we want everyone to know that these chief officers who are being publicly lynched here in Bungoma County names, because they have been accused of various charges, and they have a defense for each and every charge. But the committee is not ready to listen to that. The committee does not want even to hear the witnesses who have been called. Yet the law requires that the witnesses appear on the same date when the accused person is also